Previously on Color Culture.
I appreciate you guys, man. I really, really, really appreciate you guys. As a matter of fact, I appreciate you guys so much. There we go. Bam! See, they glowing. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yo, peace and love, guys. Back with another video, and I hope you enjoyed the last video. I had a lot of fun on that Yeezy one video. And here we are with another one. Today we have the Sean Clivers, and I thought these were dope. For some reason, the UNC Jordan 1 high video did really well, so I figured another baby blue looking color would do well, so we'll see how the video does. And this is another video from Sean Cliver. These are actually the Sean Cliver sneakers, and I'm just going to cut back to one of my old videos that I did, the Strange Love video, and I'm just going to save myself in time and use the old me to explain Sean Cliver. Come on, man. Okay, it seems like editing Colo can't find the footage for some reason. I can't find it. And then I gotta find a good spot to go do a freaking on foot. It's been like 15 degrees for the past 2 weeks. I can't do a freaking on foot. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Oh boy. I might have to just do the on foot under my desk or something like that, man. I don't know. Bro, relax. All right, nothing there. So basically, Sean Cliver's a guy from Cali. He's got a skate shop with another guy. They made the Strange Loves. They made these. He makes really crazy skateboards. Go ahead and check him out. And that concludes all the information I have for Mr. Sean. Is he having a good time there? Okay, so let's break these babies down. They have the bluish upper, and the suede on there is really, really, really thick suede. I like that suede. It kind of gives it a higher quality feel. It's not transition-y type of suede, but it's good suede. On the bottom, we have gold speckles, and this is like a Christmas theme shoe. I'm really not into Christmas themes, and you know, I thought these were all right, but they're really Christmassy. There's no red on them for a Christmas shoe, but I mean, they look cool. They have like the silverback, gold Nike swoosh. The laces look like the tin or tinsel they used to put on Christmas trees back in the day. I don't know if anybody still uses tinsels on the Christmas trees. Let me know down in the comments if you do. It says Cliver right there on the tongue. These are SBs. They do have the insoles that have the air zoom on it. I'll show that here in just a second. And I'll probably put the white laces in them when it comes to the on feet, because I don't really like the other laces, and they feel funny too. So on the insides, you can see that looks like one of crazy skateboards Sean makes. Go ahead and pause that if you need to look at that a little deeper. There's a lot going on with his designs. The other ones have like this snowflake type of design with his name on it. Here's the zoom unit. It feels good, squishy, responsive. And when I tried on the shoe, it seemed okay. But that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a good shoe. I don't know if I'd pull these out for Christmas. I'd wear these casually on a nicer day. And it's been really rough to get an on-foot segment in because it's been so cold. Like, it's been so cold, you could really just die outside within like 5 minutes. But anyway, I'll figure something out like I always do. Go ahead and like, subscribe. And of course, I don't condone any of the, Replica shoes. These were given to me for free. And, what am I going to do? Throw them away? No, I'm going to make a video and put it on YouTube and show you guys. Now, looking here at the black light, you can tell there's markings all over the shoe. And people are like, you can just clean it off. Okay, well, how do I clean it off when the shoe has like a nubuck suede upper on it? Like, that's a little difficult. And you don't want to do that. Who wants to clean markings off their shoe? I mean, I know you clean your shoes, but people don't really clean their shoes in that fashion. They clean the bottoms. They get some of the dirt, but wiping those little markings off, I don't want to do that. They should just do that from the factory. So, I mean, I do take points off if they don't clean that up, because it makes the shoe kind of look, a little bootleg. I mean, it does. I don't care what anybody says. It looks a little bootleg when you put a black light and it lights up like this. Like, if you got a shoe from StockX and it was lighting up with all these markings, you would probably lose your damn mind. All right, back in the car. This is going to be my little dressing room. I got these, all light jeans today. I got this shirt I'm going to throw on. This jacket's been sitting in my car for like a month. I might have to utilize it. I got to get these out the way. Shout out to my guy, The General. Everybody check him out. And I got to get these done next. All within 1 hour. Life of a content creator, man. You know, I signed up for this a long time ago. Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? I can't stay long, can't talk long. I gotta switch clothes like 3 and 4 times. I got a couple shirts. I got like 4 pairs of pants. I gotta get this done. I'm off today, and I'm out here at my favorite spot. You already know how we do. I only got like 30 minutes in the little meter thing right there. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this rolling. And this tripod right here is killing me right now. I just like fought with it. The stupid head right here won't come off. Like, that's why you gotta know your tripod before you use it, or even before you buy it.